of Simply Nature soft baked birthday cupcake cookies with nothing artificial in them. It is both kosher and parv, which means it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's non-GMO, verified. And there are the nutrition facts and the ingredients if you care to read them. It does have wheat, soy, and eggs. It may be contaminated with peanuts and tree nuts. 120 calories per cookie. So that's that's a fairly large amount of calories, depending on how big these cookies are. Mostly the ingredients seem to be natural rather than man-made. So that's good. Doesn't have milk, so I don't need to have any lactase, which is good because I don't have any lactase with me right now. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not really sure what birthday cupcake is supposed to taste like. I kind of suspect it might be like a yellow cupcake with that sickly sweet frosting. I'm hoping not. We'll see. Yeah, it has that kind of a yellow cake with frosting smell. But it's kind of nice smelling, actually. Honestly, it's buttery smelling, which is baffling. But that smells nice. I thought that I was going to get hit over the head with a very strong sugary flavor, but that's not the case, actually. It's a sedate sugar flavor. It reminds me of sugar cookies, but it's not the same thing. It's surprisingly nice. I like that. Yeah. Surprisingly good. It definitely defeated my doubts and exceeded my expectations as well. I'm going to have another one. Very nice. You should give it a try. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.